नींव रखी है उसको हमारा सत सत अभिनंदन, सत सत अभिनंदन। मोस्ट ऑनरेबल डिग्निटरीज, प्रिंसिपल मैम, HM sir, and the present alumni of this Kendriya Vidyalaya, a warm good morning to all and wish you happy 61st Happy KVS Foundation Day. So it's a pleasure to me that I have got an opportunity to present my views in front of you on this auspicious 61st Foundation Day of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. So friends, remember this day, that is 15 December 1963. It's a red letter day. A vast system, that is Kendriya Vidyalaya, was established in Indian education system. On this day, when the KVS was established, at that time they were named as a central school. The 20 regimental schools were running at that time. The basic objective of this Kendriya Vidyalaya to provide a quality education to the children of central government transferable employees, including defense personnel and paramilitary forces. But friends, subsequently the nomenclature has been changed and it was called as a Kendriya Vidyalaya. The main purpose to provide a quality education to overall India as well as abroad. Now, as on today, 13,88,598 students on roll in Kendriya Vidyalayas or in different schools. Near about 56,783 employees, a huge resource we are having, or this institution is having. 12,056 Kendriya Vidyalayas over all India. Then 5 ZIE, that is Zonal Institute of Education and Training. 25 regional offices. Means near about every state of India the KVS has reached. Means it shows the strongest part of our Kendriya Vidyalaya institution. The ZIE, that is which provide the quality education as well as it provides the training to the teachers to create the educational environment in the classroom. Along with that, near about 3 KVS are in abroad. One in Moscow, that is in Russia, Kathmandu in Nepal, one is Tehran in Iran. Means we are not limiting to the country only, we are providing or we are showing how the educational system is developed to the world. And it's a really proud moment. Our Kendriya Vidyalaya has a uniqueness. So what kind of uniqueness is that? Our Kendriya Vidyalaya has a diversity. As our India is a diverse country, so same way every Kendriya Vidyalaya is having a mini India, because the different students, different employees from the different states, they are coming. It shows the integrity, that is the national integration, as well as unity in diversity. This every Kendriya Vidyalaya, we can say that it's a mini India. And this diverse culture, along with that, we believe on national integration and international brotherhood. institution, we should feel proud to be a part of this organization. Even our alumni also has shown the excellence in every field from social work to Indian administrative services. So it's really proud moment for every students of Kendriya Vidyalaya. We are the part of this brand institution and we should feel proud on ourselves. So we believe in the motto of Tattvam Purusham Aparudo. Tattvam Purusham Aparudo. So everyone knows the motto of our Kendriya Vidyalaya. And the meaning of it, that is to lead one from darkness to light. So we friends, we should have a promise to keep the dignity of a Kendriya Vidyalaya. And we believe in service to mankind, service to God. So now I would like to conclude my speech by few lines. एक शिक्षा संस्थान कैसे एक भव्य समाज का निर्माण करता है, ज्ञान का समावेश होता है जिस भव्य मंदिर में, ज्ञान का समावेश होता है जिस भव्य मंदिर में, जिस मंदिर में शिक्षा का होता है आदान प्रदान, जिस मंदिर में शिक्षा का होता आदान प्रदान, हजारों लाखों पीढ़ियां शिक्षित होकर निकलती है जहां से, ऐसा होता है भव्य समाज का निर्माण, ऐसा होता है भव्य समाज